Hello learners. In this lecture, we will be understanding the user interface of the Revit application. So this is the project that we have created in the previous lecture. So this is the home tab or the home icon by which we can access the home page of the Revit. If I go back, I can access the my current active project. So here we have like this is called as quick access toolbar. Here we have open, like it can browse existing project files, family files that we can access from here. Then we have the save tool here, and there are a couple of few more tools in the quick access toolbar. So if you want to modify this tool or quick access toolbar, you can just left click here, and you can see by default there are few tools that are listed here. Those tools are present in the quick access toolbar, wherein we have the check mark. These tools are present in the quick access toolbar. For example, this A represents the text tool. So if I just left click here, it would be unchecked. So if I just click on the list again, as I can see, there is no check mark present in front of text. And similarly, we can see here, the text tool has been disappeared from the quick access toolbar. If I want to place the text tool again into the quick access toolbar, I just have to left click on it again, and you can see here my text tool is returned into the quick access toolbar. Apart from these tools, if you want any other extra tools that are present into the build tabs or any other tabs to be present into the quick access toolbar, you can even add those. Okay, like I want the wall tool to be present into the quick access toolbar. So what I will just do, I'll just right click on the tool, and we have the add to quick access toolbar small window pop up here. Just left click on it, and as you can see here, wall has been added into the quick access toolbar. Just modify it, and you can go here, customize quick access toolbar. You can see here, wall has been added. There are certain spaces assigned here, so we can remove those spaces. Even you can remove unwanted icons or unwanted tools from quick access toolbar. Like if I don't need few of the tools, I'll just remove them from the list, and I just click OK. So as you can see here, those icons that are those tools that have been removed from the list are not visible here. You can also check here, they have been removed. If you want them back, just click on these again, left click on the tool name here in the list, and they would be generated into the quick access toolbar. Okay, likewise you can customize the quick access toolbar as per your preference. So moving ahead, on the top left below the home tab, we have the file icon. Just left click on here, and we have certain options here present under the file section. The first is new. We can create a new family, new project as per our requirement. Similarly, we can open any existing family, existing project, or any other file format that can be accessed from this option. We can save as the file, and there are a couple of options like, do you need to save the project, I mean the Revit file as a project, or do you need to save it as a template, or you can create a family of libraries as well, or do you want to save it as a cloud model? There are few options here. And here we have export, like you can export the data from Revit into various file formats, that is the CAD format, PDF format, either in IFC format, likewise. And here we have the printing options present. And below down here, we have one options tool or options tab rather. Just left click on it, and you can see there are few settings which we can access under the options tab or options tool. Like here we have in general tab, we have like we can set a reminder to save the file. So it's by default for 30 minutes. If you want Revit to remind you to save files, you can set your preferences here. And if you want to change the background canvas, like the background currently is white, if you want to keep it as black, you can change from here, or any other color if you require. Just click on that color and hit OK. Unless you hit OK, those changes won't be implemented into the Revit. So I'll just go back to graphics again. I just select white, OK, and I won't save it. I just click on close. See, the changes are not incorporated into the file. So every time you do any modification, you need to either check apply or OK. That's given into the pop-up window. So in order to make changes, you need to hit the OK button. So there are many other options here, like the file location, which you have seen previously. If you don't want any template to be present here, you can either add or remove based on your preferences. If you want to remove any template or any path from here, just select the name or select the template from the list and click on this remove value button. Just click, like, see, you can see that template has been removed from the list. And you can also save a path or assign a path wherein you can save your files. Like my currently the Revit has taken this default as under the documents folder, but I want it to be in another folder, so I can just browse it and I can check this to be this folder. I want my Revit files or any other files to be directly saved into this folder, Revit Udemy course folder. Okay. And it's okay, like, to keep all other defined settings as per the default values. Hit OK. And moving ahead, like, these are the multiple tabs based on discipline it's used. Like, we have discipline wise, we have few tabs like the architectural tab, structural tab, steel tab, precast tab. Then we have insert tab, like if you want to link any file or insert any image PDF, you can do it from here. Then we have annotation, the separate tab for annotation purpose. Similarly, we have multiple tools that we will just see in the upcoming lectures. Under each tab, there are various tools, or there are panels, like you can see a build panel, circulation panel, model panel, rooms area panel, opening panel, and each panel contains various tools. Like you can see here under the build tab, we have wall tool, we have door, windows, likewise. So Revit has various tools, various tabs here based on its element modeling type or the purpose or the function of the elements. So you can access everything from this ribbon tool. This is called as ribbon, and these are the tabs. Okay. You can just change the ribbon, how it's been displayed by clicking over here on this button. If I just click here, left click, the ribbon is changed. So you can just use this button to resize or remodify the ribbon tool as per your requirement or as per your preferences. And here we have the project, like the properties panel and the project browser. Property panel is a model-less dialog wherein you can view and modify the parameters that defines the property of any elements. For example, currently we have the floor plan open here. So the properties of the floor plan is displayed in the properties palette. Even if you select any other elements, for example, I will just select this view, then the properties of the selected item is reflected into the properties panel or properties palette. And here we have the project browser. Revit project browser is a powerful tool that allows user to navigate and organize the project files and folders. It provides a hierarchical view of your project's elements, views, sheets, making it easy to locate and manage your design files. Okay. And even you can search any of the families or any of the sheets or views from the project browser. Just you have to right click here and go to search. And you can press anything, like I will just put or add level here and press next. So it will search in the project browser, like whatever the name or the elements that contains level. So I'll just keep on hitting next. So Revit will take me or highlight the entities that contains level in its name. You can search anything related to our project into the Revit project browser as well. So you can just press this minus icon to close the tab, or there is option here like collapse selected or collapse all. If you collapse, click on collapse selected, only the selected tabs or selected folders, subfolders would be closed. If you want to close everything at once, you can just click on, right click and click on close all. If you want to expand everything, you can just right click anywhere here and click on expand all. You can see project browser is expanded. If you want to close everything, just click here, collapse all. The project browser is collapsed. And here we have below, we have a few icons, few more icons here. Like here is the scale. You can access the scale of the Revit canvas from here. You can either select the by default present scale, or you can just customize the type of scale required. Here we have the detail level, like whether it should be a coarse, medium, fine. You'll understand it in more detail as we progress through the course, so no need to worry about it. And here we have the graphic display options, like whether the model should be of wireframe, hidden, shaded, likewise. So there are a couple of more icons here and at the bottom as well. So we will have a detailed look on each of the tool as we move ahead. Okay, that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.